Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nadia Fadila Fidiawa, dosen program studi pendidikan bisnis, Fakultas Ekonomi Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing kedua dari mahasiswa yang bernama Rabia Al-Adawiyah dengan judul proposal skripsi pengembangan video microlearning berbasis technological, pedagogical, dan content knowledge untuk meningkatkan kompetensi abad 21. Dan berikut ini adalah pemaparan dari proposal tersebut.
The honorable examiners and supervisors, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rabia Adawiyah, a student of business education. In this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal titled Developing Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge-Based Microlearning Videos to Enhance 21st Century Competencies. Before diving into the details of my proposal, I would like to shed some light of the context and motivation behind this research. We are currently witnessing a significant transformation in the world of work, driven to the technological advancement and automation. These changes have to impact all aspects of human life, including the skill and qualification required in the workforce. In response to this, the Indonesian government has taken steps to improve the quality of human resources by focusing on vocational education. However, despite these efforts, data from the Central Statistics Agency (BPS) show that the highest open unemployment rate is among vocational school or SMK graduated. This indicated a gap between the competencies developed through education and the actual needs of the industry. It is clear that there is a pressing need for an education system that fosters competencies aligned with the real-world demand. To address this challenge, the concept of 21st century competencies has emerged, encompassing learning skill, literacy skill, and life skill. These competencies serve as a foundation of equipping students with the necessary skill to thrive in the modern era. Additionally, the integration of technology into education has become essential in assessing learning resources and creating engaging learning. Teachers particularly face the challenge of effectively integrating technology into their pedagogic practices. This is where the Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge, or TPACK, framework comes into play. By leveraging this framework, we can effectively combine technology, pedagogy, and content to enhance the learning process. One concert manifesting of this integration is the use of digital learning media, especially microlearning videos. In the recent times, the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of digital learning platforms. Many educators have transitioned from traditional teaching methods to digital platforms, particularly through the utilization of videos. However, most existing learning videos are laggy and lack focus on specific content. In order to address this issue, we propose the implementation of the microlearning, which involves creating concise, easily digestible videos that students can comprehend effortlessly. Considering the aforementioned challenge and opportunity, my research aims to develop technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge-based microlearning videos that specifically target to enhancement of 21st century competencies. As for development question, first, how is the development of technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge-based microlearning videos to improve 20% theory competencies. Second, what is the influence of technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge-based micro-learning videos to improve 21st century competencies? Has the purpose of this development? First, producing educational media in the form of micro-learning videos based on technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge to improve 21st century competencies. And second, understanding the impact of micro-learning videos based on technological, pedagogical, and learning knowledge on 21st century competencies. The benefits of this development are divided into two, namely theoretical and practical. The following are the benefits of developing pedagogical, and content knowledge-based micro-learning videos to improve 21st century competencies. Continuing with my thesis proposal defense, I will now delve into the relevant literature that support the development of my research. This literature review encompasses several key theories and concepts that lay the foundation for my study. First and foremost, we have the concept of 21st century competence. This refers to a set of skill and knowledge deemed crucial in navigating the demands of the modern world. These competencies encompass learning skills, including innovation, problem-solving, communication, and collaboration. Additionally, they encompass literacy skill, which involve proficiency in media, information, and technology usage. Lastly, life skills such as adaptability, flexibility, initiative, and responsibility are integral components of 21st century competence. Next, we have the technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge framework. Educators utilize the frameworks to effectively integrate technology, pedagogy, and content in order to enhance the quality of outcomes of student learning. It comprises three distinct components: technology, pedagogy, and content. By leveraging this element in a balanced manner, education can create meaningful learning experiences for their students. Another important concept is considered is microlearning. Microlearning is a method of learning that focuses on delivering precise information in small, easily digestible units. In the context of my research, microlearning videos play a vital role. These videos are short-clipped and contain interactive content, allowing of engaging and efficient learning experience. Furthermore, it is essential of acknowledge the basics of marketing, as is pertain to the subject matter of my study. The basics of marketing is a foundation subject within the marketing vocational group. It provides students at the 10th grade level fundamental knowledge, skill, and attitude necessary for developing marketing competencies. The curriculum covers various topics, including marketing concept and process, marketing issue, profession of the field of marketing, consumer behavior, market analysis, sales services, and business communication. Upon the research and development aspect of my study. Research and development is a systematic approach that employs scientific method to discover, formulate, improve, develop, produce, and test products, models, method, or producer. In my research, I will be utilizing the 4D model proposed by Thiagarajan. This model comprises our three-stage are define, design, develop, and disseminate. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring the successful execution and implementation of my proposal research. With this literature review as a foundation, I am confident in the significant and potential impact to my thesis proposal. In the subsequent section, I will delve into the specific detail on my research methodology, data collection, analysis technique, and anticipate outcome. Moving on to the research methodology section of my thesis proposal defense, I will outline the subject, objective, and method employed in this study. The subject of this development are the students of SMKN 12 Jakarta, while the object of the development is technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge-based microlearning videos in the fundamental of marketing subject, especially focusing on element 1, business process marketing in the industrial sector. The development was conducted at SMKN 12 Jakarta over a period of 5 months, utilizing the research and development approach with a 4D mode. The aim of this research is to develop technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge-based microlearning videos as learning media to enhance 21st century competencies among 10th grade students at SMKN 12 Jakarta. These competencies encompass learning skills, literacy skill, and life skill. The microlearning videos are designed to be concise, targeted, and interactive, facilitating student understanding and accessibility anytime, anywhere. Let's dive into the specific steps involved in the development process. The define stage involves gathering information related to the product to be developed, including needs analysis and a track literature review. The design stage focuses on designing of the product while considering feasibility factors for practical implementation, this including defining test standards, selecting appropriate learning media, determining the media format, and creating a preliminary design. The develop stage entails producing the structured learning media or microlearning video based on the identified needs. It involves the development of microlearning videos, evaluation by media and material expert, product revision, and student evaluation. Data collection for this research encompasses 3 types: feasibility testing, trial testing, and effectiveness testing. Feasibility testing will be conducted by media and material experts to assess the suitability of the development product. Specific criteria and value range have been established to determine of the level feasibility. A score above 61% is considered acceptable. Trial testing aims to evaluate the response of teachers and students when using a microlearning videos. Similar criteria and value range have been established to assess the level of trial success. A score above 60% indicates of preferred outcome. Finally, effectiveness testing involves assessing the impact of the microlearning videos on student learning. This is achieved by administering pre-test and post-test to 2 groups, an experimental class and a control class. The experimental class received the treatment of using microlearning videos during the learning process. The effectiveness test implies the parity test preceded by normality and homogeneity test.